Hello and welcome to my bedroom. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a refresh that I'm doing in my master bedroom to kind of upgrade it a little bit. It's pretty basic, pretty plain right now, and so I'm going to be adding a little bit of decor to it just to make it look more appealing. And yes, that is a vacuum there in the corner, and yes, that was its home, but it's time to make this space more beautiful. So again, this is my starting point. Not a lot going on except for a little bit of clutter here, but we're going to fix all of that today, and I'm going to share what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be adding some new accent pieces in here, and you'll see what else I do. So let's just get started here. This globe is by Mova and it rotates using just ambient light, no batteries, no electricity. I replaced all of the hardware on my dresser and nightstands. This is what it looked like before. I got the new hardware from CB2. My pillow covers are from Amazon and West Elm. The pictures over the bed are thrifted, and I painted the frames gold to match with the decor, and the other two paintings are from Home Goods. The bench at the foot of the bed is also off of Amazon. Be sure to check out my Amazon store. All of these items can be purchased from there. The link will be in the description box. The curtain panels are also from Amazon, and they were only $11 and they're 95 inches, so I was thrilled to find them because the extra long ones typically are very expensive. The chair is a very old chair that I've had, and I love it because it's comfortable, so I just purchased a slip cover off of Amazon for it, and it's like a brand new chair. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't leave without giving me a thumbs up, subscribing if you're not currently subscribed, and hit that post notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload new videos. And if you're a returning family member, welcome back. I'm so happy that you stopped back by, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.